This is KuCoin's partner page where you can see the commission is 60%. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up as an affiliate for KuCoin with a 60% commission rate. As a top partner, I can activate your affiliate account with the highest commission. Scroll down to see the KuCoin section here, which shows the commission rate of up to 60%. The commission goes up to 60%. Click here to create a new KuCoin account. Now enter your email or phone number here, then click Create Account and verify you're not a robot. Check your email for the OTP code and enter it here. Now enter your password. After entering the password, click Continue. You've now created a KuCoin account successfully. You need to verify your account to activate the affiliate program. Click on Verify Account now. Then choose Personal Verification and enter your country next. Select the identity documents you have. After verifying your KuCoin account, click on this person icon. You'll see a UID section. Send me this UID so I can activate your account, okay? Here's my contact info: email, Telegram, or Facebook. You can copy this email and send a message. Below is a template you can use. Just copy and paste it, then change the exchange name to KuCoin. Now you'll need to enter your UID here. Click Send and I'll have your UID to activate your account. Okay, I've activated it successfully. Here's the link to log into your partner page. Click it. This is KuCoin's partner page. See the 60% commission rate? I've activated KuCoin affiliate and increased it to 60% for you. Now for the registration link, just click copy or send this referral code to friends or customers to sign up for KuCoin.